Welcome to our definitive buyer's encyclopedia on building a simple AI agent with Python. Today, we will explore various criteria to consider when choosing an AI model for your project, comparing local models with hosted APIs. First, let's look at cost. Open source models typically incur no licensing fees, while hosted API services, such as OpenAI's offerings, charge based on usage. Therefore, if budget constraints are a priority, local models may offer significant savings over time. Next, we assess performance. Testing has shown that local models like Meta's LLaMA 2 can provide competitive performance compared to hosted models such as GPT 3.5 Turbo. However, performance may vary based on the specific task and dataset. When it comes to ease of setup, hosted APIs generally offer a more straightforward integration process, allowing you to get started quickly without complex installation steps. In contrast, local models may require more effort to set up, including environment configuration. Another critical factor is resource requirements. Local models can demand substantial hardware to run effectively, including GPUs, while API usage primarily depends on internet connectivity and minimal local resources. Flexibility is another area where local models shine. They allow for extensive customization, enabling developers to tailor the model to specific needs. In contrast, hosted APIs often come with fixed features and limitations. Let's consider latency. Local models can sometimes provide faster response times since they operate without network delays. However, this advantage can vary based on system performance and optimization. Data privacy is a significant concern for many users. Local models keep data in-house, reducing the risk of exposure. In contrast, using third-party APIs introduces potential vulnerabilities related to data sharing. Next, we evaluate updates and maintenance. Open-source models may require manual updates, which can be cumbersome. Conversely, hosted APIs typically manage updates automatically, ensuring users always have access to the latest features. Now let's discuss scalability. Local solutions can be limited by hardware, while cloud-based APIs can scale effortlessly to meet demand, making them ideal for projects expecting rapid growth. Community support varies between the two options. Local models often benefit from vibrant open-source communities, while API providers may offer dedicated support but less community interaction. The documentation quality can also differ significantly. Open-source projects vary widely in documentation clarity, while APIs often provide comprehensive guides and examples to assist users. When considering integration capabilities, hosted APIs may offer out-of-the-box compatibility with various tools, whereas local models might require additional effort to achieve similar integrations. Trial options are crucial for experimentation. Most APIs provide free trials that allow users to test features before committing. Open-source models, on the other hand, can be downloaded and tested without restrictions. Model variants represent another point of comparison. Local models often come in various sizes, allowing for selection based on specific use cases. Hosted APIs also provide options, but may have limitations on model size and features. User experience is affected by user experience. Beginners may find hosted APIs easier to navigate, while local setups can present steeper learning curves. Evaluating feedback mechanisms. Feedback mechanism is essential for adaptive learning. Local models may allow for more hands-on tuning, while hosted solutions often have predefined interactions. Next, we will look at functionality. Basic capabilities of local models can be robust, but hosted APIs often provide advanced features that enhance usability, such as contextual understanding and memory. Tool integration is crucial for expanding capabilities. Local models can be integrated with various tools, such as web search APIs, while hosted models may offer limited options. In terms of cost effectiveness, it's important to consider the long-term financial implications. While local models might require upfront investment in hardware, hosted APIs can accumulate costs over time, especially with high usage. Lastly, we consider experimentation. Open-source models allow for extensive modification and experimentation, whereas hosted solutions often impose constraints that limit user creativity. In conclusion, choosing the right AI model for your project involves careful consideration of these criteria. By comparing local models and hosted APIs based on cost, performance, flexibility, and support, you can find the best fit for your AI agent. If you need assistance in making your decision, consider consultant matchmaking services that can help you evaluate your options based on the criteria we've discussed. Making an informed choice will set your AI agent project on the path to success.